cam lifter installed, and we can get the rest of this motor put back together. I've got the lifter sitting in a container soaking up oil right now. All of the push rods cleaned out, checked, everything's good and straight and ready to go. So I put a scope in the number one, made sure to check that everything was at top dead center, made sure my dots lined up when that was up in the correct position, so we should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead, pull this timing set off, the old one off, get it out of here, get the old cam out, spray the inside of this down, get it good and clean, and then we'll get the new cam out, start getting some braking, assembly lube on that, and get everything back in and installed. So these are the specs of the cam we installed. Very mild, very close to the stock cam and lifter setup that came with the motor. I'm going to actually spun it around a few times. Everything's good. Checked our clearances. We are set to go. So I've got a pile of Edelbrock parts that I am going to start getting installed. I'm going to start with the timing cover, get that, and the balancer on. I'm going to go ahead and flip this upside down then, get the oil pan, all of that stuff on, and just keep rolling. There she is in all of her glory. I still have a few more parts that didn't quite get here yet or didn't make the list. So I'll get the rest of the valve cover bolts and water pump bolts, a few other things. But yeah, unfortunately, this is gonna have to sit on hold for a little bit. We got some customer work to do, and then we really need to start back on the 48 and get this thing rolling. So stay tuned for more on the big block.
Push the buttons.